Hello friends, my name is Heman Patel. I am a lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department, BVPIT DS, Umrah, Surat. Friends, today I will going to explain about some terms related to relay settings. In power systems, relay plays crucial role. So now we are understand two terms, pickup current and clock setting multiplier. Friends, what is pickup current? Pickup current is a minimum value of current in relay coil at which relay start to operate. Means for operation of current, relay required some minimum current. It is called pickup current. If current through relay is less than pickup current, then relay would not operate. On the other hand, if relay coil current is greater than pickup current, then relay will. If the value of pickup current is adjustable and it is achieved by current setting, it is usually given in terms of percentage. So pickup current is given by equation plug setting into CT secondary current. Friends, relay is connected in secondary of the CT. So we have to find out first of all the current flowing through relay based on CT secondary current. So our equation becomes pickup current is equal to plug setting into current of CT secondary. Okay. The ratio of fault current in relay coil and pickup current is known as plug setting multiplier. The another term is plug setting multiplier, in short PSM. PSM is also very important for relay setting. From value of PSM, we can find out the value of fault current, which we can see in the later in this lecture. Okay, so what is plug setting multiplier? It is the ratio of fault current in relay coil to pickup current. Again, as we know, pickup current is equal to plug setting into CT secondary current. So PSM is equal to relay coil fault current divided by plug setting into CT secondary current. Normally, the fault current is flowing through CT primary and relay is connected in CT secondary. So we have to find out fault current in CT secondary, and that is the fault current in relay coil. Okay, friends, we have to find out the fault current in CT secondary. The given fault current is flowing through the primary, so we have to find out the fault current in CT secondary, which will we see next in this lecture. If PSM is less than 1, then relay not operate. If PSM is greater than 1, then relay operates. And if PSM is equal to 1, then relay at critical position, means just start to operate, just ready to operate. Okay. If plug setting is 100%, then pickup current is equal to CT secondary current. Why? Because we know that pickup current is equal to plug setting into CT secondary current, and plug setting is equal to 100% means 1. It means the pickup current is equal to CT secondary current. If the CT ratio is IP by IS, where IP is equal to CT primary current and CT secondary current, then pickup current is equal to IS, CT secondary current. Okay. Now, fault current in relay coil. We have to find out the fault current in relay coil, then fault current IF into IS by IP. because we have to find out the fault current in city secondary side. So we have to use equation IS by IP. Okay. So PSM is equal to IF into IS upon IP into IS, because we know that PSM is equal to relay coil fault current is equal to IF into IS by IP divided by pickup current. Pickup current is equal to CT secondary current is equal to IC. So we get PSM is equal to IF upon IP. From this equation, we can find out IF is equal to PSM into IP. It means fault current is equal to PSM time primary current of CT secondary. So by getting the value of PSM, we can find out the fault current of the line. Okay, which will flow to the primary of the CT. Okay, so friends, here we can see one example of find out the PSM. Okay, here given is data given is that plug setting is equal to 150%, CT ratio is equal to 500 by 10, fault current is equal to 4000 ampere. So calculate PSM. So first of all, find out the fault current in relay coil. So fault current in relay coil is equal to total fault current IF, which is equal to 4000 ampere into 10 divided by 500. So we will get fault current is equal to 80 ampere. Now we have to find out pickup current. So equation of pickup current is equal to plug setting into CT secondary current. Plug setting is 150%. CT secondary current is equal to 10 ampere. So we get 150% means 1.5 into 10 is equal to 15 ampere. So we get pickup current is equal to 50 ampere. So now PSM is equal to fault current in relay coil divided by pickup current is equal to 80 divided by 15 is equal to 5. So friends, इस तरह से हम PSM कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. ओके